Hi students, in the last video we discussed about just-in-time inventory. In this video, we will learn about the key concepts and steps of ABC analysis of inventory and benefits, challenges and best practices of ABC analysis of inventory. ABC analysis of inventory is an inventory management technique that categorizes inventory items based on their importance to the business. This method helps prioritize inventory management efforts, allowing organizations to allocate resources more effectively. What are the key concepts of ABC analysis? Number one is categorization. Inventory items are classified into three categories. A items, high value items with low sales frequency. They represent a significant portion of the overall inventory value, but a small percentage of the total sales. B items, moderate value items with moderate sales frequency. They require regular attention but not as intense as A items. C items, low value items with low sales frequency. They make up a large portion of the total items but contribute minimally to the overall inventory value. Second is Pareto principle. ABC analysis is often aligned with the Pareto principle, which is also known as 80-20 rule, which states that approximately 80% of effects come from 20% of the causes. In the context of inventory, this means that a small percentage of items can account for a large portion of inventory value. What are the steps involved in ABC analysis? Number one is data collection. We need to gather data on all inventory items, including their cost, sales volumes, and turnover rates. Second is calculating annual consumption value. For each item, calculate its annual consumption value using the formula annual consumption value equals to unit cost into annual demand. Example, you have 7 items, item A, B, C, D, E, F, G with the given value and annual demand. Their annual consumption value will be their unit cost or value multiplied with their annual demand. Hence, item A has an annual consumption value of 7,000, which is a multiplication of 70 and 100. Third step is to rank all the inventory items. Rank all inventory items based on their annual consumption value from highest to lowest. As you can see that item E is ranked 1 as it has the highest annual assumption value, followed by item G and henceforth. Fourth step is to calculate cumulative values. Calculate the cumulative percentage of total inventory value for each item as you move down the ranked list. After organizing the items from rank 1 to rank 7, we will calculate individual percentage of every item's sale. Hence, for item E, percentage is 2,50,000 divided by total sales of all items combined. After we have calculated individual percentages, we will calculate cumulative percentages. As you can see, 54%. Then 54 plus 26 is equals to 81%, considering decimals. Then 81 plus 7 equals to 87%. Then 87 plus 6 equals to 93%, and henceforth. After this, we will do the categorization. We'll classify the items into A, B, and C categories based on their cumulative percentages. A items typically represent about 70 to 80% of total inventory value, often the top 10 to 20% of the items. B usually account for 15 to 25% of the total inventory value. And C generally make up about 5 to 10% of the total inventory value. Hence, the categorization will look like this. Items E and G combined are contributing to 81% of total item sales. or item values. Hence, they are categorized in A category. Whereas item A and D, they combinedly contribute to 8% of the total inventory value. Hence, they are categorized in the C category. What are the benefits of doing ABC analysis? Number one is focused inventory management. This method helps prioritize attention and resources on high value items, which are A items, ensuring that they are managed effectively to prevent stockouts and optimizing purchase. Second is cost efficiency. By identifying which items require more control, business can reduce carrying costs associated with lower item values like C items, freeing up capital for more critical inventory like A items. Third is enhanced decision making. This method provides valuable insights into inventory performance, enabling better forecasting, replenishment strategies, and supplier negotiations. And fourth is effective space utilization. This method helps allocate warehouse space more efficiently by prioritizing high value items for prime storage locations. Now let us understand what are the challenges associated with this method. Number one is dynamic inventory changes. Inventory values and sales patterns can change over time, requiring regular reassessment and adjustment of categories. Second is data dependency. ABC analysis relies on accurate and up-to-date data. Inaccuracies can lead to misclassification of items and poor inventory management decisions. Now let us see what are the best practices of ABC analysis. Number one is regular review. Conduct ABC analysis periodically, example quarterly or annually, to account for changes in demand and inventory dynamics. Second is integration with other techniques. Combine ABC analysis with other inventory management techniques such as safety stock or reorder point strategies for a more comprehensive approach. We will be discussing these strategies in our upcoming videos. Third is collaboration across departments. Involve various teams, including sales, finance, and operations, in the analysis process to ensure a holistic view of inventory management. Fourth is to utilize technology. Implement inventory management software that can automate the ABC analysis process, providing real-time insights and reducing manual efforts. What were the key takeaways of this video? We learned key concepts and steps of doing ABC analysis, and we also understood benefits, challenges, and best practices of ABC analysis. In the next video, we will be discussing economic order quantity in detail. Thank you.